Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 20th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the Saturday edition, Saturday, February the 18th, 2023. In this Sunday additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-stars Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1-star, I believe. Yeah, it's a Tectonic with 1-star, and this will be number 5994. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 21 and it's also indicated with 1-star. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. First question. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, I don't see any single boxes here. Next question, dual boxes then. Well, I see here a dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can't be a 2 anymore because we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me check for the triple boxes. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I see here only one quadra box. The 4 is already filled in, so this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, the 1 and 3, could be everywhere. But when you see a quadra box, remember the quadra box in the L shape. Yeah, when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, yeah, this box, the inside box of this quadra box is always a 5. All right. And next, we have only one quadra box. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. When you see the T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, oh, yeah, well, let me put this here. All right. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. All right. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box in this T shape has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. All right. The T shape. All right. The T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z shape figure construction? Or, yeah. If you rotate this, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction or the Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. The Z or the S construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Of course, it's already filled in, the 2. So this box has the same name as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, yeah, that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Okay. Only one shape of this kind of shape. Then the last shape, I believe this, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. Here we have also an L shape, upside down, same number. We have an L shape, rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. More L shapes. No. 1, 2, 3. This L shape is a quadra box. So you cannot count this in. Alright, then those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize. By the way, here we have 5, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. Question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes in this T-shaped area can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Or here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 or a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Then this box can be a 3 and this box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes together as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3 in this quarter box. 1 digit left should be the 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 5. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, think. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So around the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. This box is also connected with that box. Should be a 1 or a 5. Okay, here also 1 and 5. Let me think. Well, yeah. Come on. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, W shape area should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Well, two numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Well, come on. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this W area, save for numbers 5. And the 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, and now let me think. Okay, 1 and a 4. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Here also 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3, and is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means that this box, wait, need to wait. 2, 4 and a 3. Okay, 2, 4 and a 3. Let me think. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 4, 5, need a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Z construction, yeah, should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. Is connected also with this box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. We have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Wow, not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm not pleased with the time. Maybe talk too long, too much in the beginning. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles in the puzzle page in the Saturday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.